Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Towne Mortgage account. Go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser on your PC. Now go to the Google search bar and then search for Towne Mortgage login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will lead you to the official page of Towne Mortgage Company. You can see that it will lead you to this page, or if not, it will directly lead you to the login page where you can write down your user ID, your password, and click login. If you don't have an account yet, click enroll now and you can create a Towne Mortgage account for yourself. If you are having problems about your user ID or password, and if you have forgotten your user ID or password, these are the links you want to go through for you to recover your password or your user ID quite easily. This is the way how you can log into your Towne Mortgage account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.